Waterfall. On Thursday, it was the profit, unrealized profit was almost 12 lakhs, and today it is 7 lakhs. 5 lakhs gone. That is almost a reduction of 40% from 12 lakhs, 40 plus percent. And today, not a single green stock. Everything has been in red. But on the bright side, on Thursday, I sold mid-cap Nifty futures. I sold mid-cap Nifty futures as a hedge, and I made almost 2 lakhs in that. So I'm very happy that I finally got my hedging correct. Every time I try to hedge, I end up losing more money than the actual portfolio. This time, first time, the hedging actually gave me money. And to be very honest, since I am in a drawdown since February, I didn't hedge my entire portfolio. I just hedged around like 70, 40%. Like I just hedged around 60 to 70% of the complete portfolio. I'll share you the link on how I hedged my portfolio above. And based on that, I took 5 lots. And even though it is just mid-cap Nifty, and my portfolio behaves more like a small cap index, so mid-cap is the closest I can get to a decent hedge. And the only way I could hedge it completely is to buy more lots. But unfortunately, because I'm in a drawdown, I couldn't buy more lots. I'm happy I got my hedging correct this time. Now the tricky part is to get out and not lose, book this profit and not lose the entire amount with the portfolio if the portfolio reverses. Because this is good cash that will come into my account, right? This can be realized. The other one is unrealized, and the other one portfolio is an investment. This is like short-term thing. I can book this and use the money to buy into my preferred stocks. Anyways, my market outlook was bang on once again, was correct again once again. So I said that mid-cap Nifty is not creating higher high, but it is retesting the lows very, very fast. Like look at this trend line. That is this, and this. So once it retested this trend line immediately with this candle, and it didn't create a higher high, my gut feeling was saying that there's something wrong, and then I decided to take a small hedge position on 7th, where I sold 4 lots. And then when the market opened on 11th, I added 1 more lot, and that was the maximum I was willing to risk, because I don't have money to take risks currently. And then what a good call it was. It gave me at least 2 lakhs. Now the thing, my market outlook is, this candle is way too extended, but it is definitely broken. It has broken this, as I said, it has broken this trend line, right? So now what could happen is a retracement to the trend line, right? If I don't have the proper tools. Oh, so finally I could get the line. Yes. So this is the trend line I've been talking about, right? And since now it broke, now what's going to happen is there's going to be a retracement, right? There's going to be a retracement. I don't know when retracement comes. I feel, and not only that, why I feel that retracement would come is because this candle is so long. It's so long, right? Unless there's something fundamentally wrong with the market, which I don't think so, but maybe some insider information people might know and they feel that they should exit, then it could go down. But if it's just some panic selling or something like that, then maybe we could have a retracement to this line, right? And then go back down or go up, go back into this channel, this draw line here parallel, right? Tomorrow's candle is very critical. If it is a lower low candle, it's a red candle, then we are in for a lot of trouble, more pain. But if tomorrow's is a green candle, then this can be some like one-off panic selling, and there could be some retracement, and then might come down or get back into the channel. But there could be some relief for some pullback at least. See, another theory that I am beginning to develop is, since this Bank Nifty is supposed to go down, right? Bank Nifty is supposed to go down, but unfortunately, since it created a gap, it had to close this gap, right? And now, since the gap is closed, that is, this gap is closed, right? This gap is closed. Now, it might resume its downward trend. If it wasn't for the fact that HDFC Bank has not closed its gap, then I would have actually been bearish. But since HDFC also has a gap to fill, and even FinNifty has a gap to fill, I thought the chances of it going higher is higher because of HDFC, because HDFC is the biggest constituent of Nifty Bank. So now if you consider this trend line, so this particular price, that is how much this, so we can expect a fall to this line. What is the price here? I can't cross this radar. So 46,200 levels. So 46,200 levels we can expect a fall to if this trend line continues, if this green bearishness continue. So at 46,200 is what I would consider the support. If it breaks below 46,200, a lot of pain is there in store for us. If Nifty is also the same, just draw a line and there is some more downside, right? If you draw a line, and there should be some more downside, right? If Nifty is going to follow Bank Nifty, so that's going, if Bank Nifty goes down, Nifty is going to go down 90% or 80% from my little experience. Now look at this beautiful trend line in Nifty. Touch. So now this has broken this. So now this trend line has been broken, right? So there could be a short retest till this levels. Yeah, 22,100 to 22,200 could be the resistance. And then if it continues going down, then we are in for a big lot of trouble. We are in for a lot of pain. But if it goes back into the channel, then we can consider higher highs. Anyway, that's the market outlook, and we have lost 43,000 today. Reduced the number of loss from 50s and all now to 40s. It was actually the trend was correct, but what to do? Like PR Sundar sir says, operation success, patient dead. Trend I got it right, but couldn't make money. So basically, I had immediately jumped in the beginning itself, and I shorted. I had sold calls, but in this particular candle, which looks like the candle that was done to take out the 920 straddles. So I also got caught in it. Look at it. So the closing price, and it has taken it out, and then immediately it has gone back down and not at all looked back. So yeah, this has been happening quite often when I enter in the beginning. So maybe I might need to tweak my strategy, because entering in the early stages tend to have this whipsaw for the market kicking on the 920 straddlers. All right. So I need to keep that in mind. I need to go back to the drawing board. But yeah, it was a good call. That is, the direction was correct. But unfortunately, couldn't make money instead, and I got stopped out. So lost 43,000. Drawdown continues. So now these are the stocks that I've exited: JM Financial, Star Cement, Lemon Tree, AKS, Wellspan, Capacity. These were not exited today. These were exited Monday to Tuesday due to margin requirements and all. And I might actually plan to revise some more stocks to exit. I might exit some more. Not a single stock was green today. Everything was red, like everything red. These are the. This is like everything. This is the lowest. Now let's go by low to high. And Ivy Real Estate. Oh, Indus Tower, Sale, Yes Bank, Exchanging, Housing Finance, Hutco. What a massacre. What a fall. What a fall. Can you please like the video, because YouTube runs on YouTube runs on likes. YouTube algorithm runs on likes. And do subscribe if you enjoy this, and do subscribe if you enjoy this trading vlog and want to be updated whenever we take trades. Thanks. Bye.